Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to this Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. It's day number 15 and today we've got this mint green envelope and I really like those arrows. And yes, so it says 15 and designer for today is Simply Made Crafts. So let's have a look what's inside this wallet. And inside we've got some stickers, some washi tape, and again for planners or journals. So yes, let me see what it is exactly. It looks like you can peel it off, or maybe not. I think you can. Yes, you can. So they are very thin and it looks like washi tape. And I like the colors. I love those speed bubble, the arrows, remember to do list, let's go, and all the days of the week, months, and those dots as well with days of the week. So I think, let me think about what I want to do. We had some stamps and a stencil already for journaling, so maybe I can actually do like a planner for next week, planner page. Let me think about it and I will bring some elements and I will show you what I'm going to create with this. Hopefully I will create something with this. So I brought my creative journal. It's actually it's not a journal, but I write some ideas. I write some important things I need to remember so I can go back and read again instead of checking emails, for example. And yes, I'm kind of a third through, and I never did this like a weekly planner. So I brought that stencil. The stencil was, I think, in day 4 and stamps in day 12, and I just realized something which I want to show you. So this is day 15. Look at those envelopes, they are exactly the same. Did anyone realize that it's the same? Because it's designed by Simply Made Crafts, and I just realized that maybe all the designers, they've got the same colors. For example, Simply Made Crafts has this Mandy blue. I'm going to check it later. Let me know if you realize that the envelopes for each designer, they've got their own theme, kind of like this one for journaling has those arrows and everything. So this is something I just realized like now, which is nice. So what I'm going to do, I don't know if I'm going to chat to you guys because maybe it will take me long time, so I might speed up this video. I don't know, but I got myself this fine liner, and this one is a 0.3, and let's go for it. Let's see what I'm going to do. I'm thinking to write a weekly planner. Apologies, I don't do lettering or I don't do calligraphy. I'm just going to write it. And when I write, I cannot talk, so. Maybe I need to highlight it. Hopefully I'm not going to drop anything, but I've got this a Sharpie, and let me, yeah, a little bit, why not? Weekly planner. So that's step now 1, and then I want to write next week is going to be, today's 15, 18, week of 18th. 18th. And now we can put December. I know it's so simple, but I really wanted to do something. At first I thought maybe I would just show you the product and then I talk a little bit about I don't know what, but I really want to do a video for each of the wallets. Oh, and I realized just that it's exactly the same color as my highlighter. And it's December. So we've got something ready. And then maybe I should do some stamping. Maybe, let me see if I can put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday, and then extra spot for something else. Okay, I'm going for it. I'm not thinking, I'm not planning, I'm just trying to be creative and follow my instinct. So that's Monday, and I think I'm going to stamp that one here. Shall I? Because it's... Oh, what about this one? Can I just... Let's see if I can take... Oh, yes. I think this one will be nice. Let's see. Yeah, I think I like it. So, because I can't bring my trusted stamping platform, so I will have to do it by hand with acrylic block, which I haven't done for a very long time. Apologies if it's going, but I think I still can use fine liner to I'm trying to see to touch up if I will need to. So let me just see and put it to the side. I've got this VersaFine Clear in black, and I really like that ink, but it's running quite low, so let me actually test it first. Yes. Haha. Yes. Wow, I'm really so happy right now that it works. Look at this. Maybe I should use different color, but for now I'm happy with the way it goes. For now, Monday, I need Tuesday. So yes, so now I'm going to put the Tuesday here. I want to keep it in line. I'm really always worried that I'm off center, or something's a bit wonky, but it's crafting, so it's fine. And I think that's fine. Oh yes, another beautiful one. And I need Wednesday. I think I will start to use those stamps, and maybe that's what I should do from January. What do you think? I bought some bullet journal for my youngest daughter, and she said she's going to do it, but I don't think she started it, so maybe I'm going to take it off her and do it my own. Why not? Because it looks really nice. What do you think? I hope I'm not off shot. Yes, look at that. And I think I want to color them, and I think yeah, I'm thinking to bring those colors maybe, or some inking. Oh, I think I'm a bit too excited about this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, nice. And because we've got those stickers, stamps as well, so when I use the stickers, all of them, then I can use the stamps. And wow, this is coming along really fast, I think. And let me try to align with the previous one. Oh no, oh no, it's okay, it's okay, it's all right. Wow, you can barely see that that I actually put the stamp down a little bit. It looks good. And Friday. And at the bottom, what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do remember, just like a reminder to do something like create a special video. And actually I'm planning to do, because I was getting so many, I'm still getting so many new subscribers, so for January, because of course December is so busy, as you can see with all those videos. I'm thinking about doing giveaway in January, so maybe that's why I should put a reminder here to start planning and putting things together. So Which one do I want? I think I will go for the pink one. Just looking at the video to see. I just don't want the video to be too long, but I still want to use the products. Remember about thinking about giveaway, looking for products. So, do I want this one? No, I will keep the same stamp. Remember. Yes, look at this. That was very quick. Let me see if I can use something else. Remember to, I want to put an arrow. I want to put the this one, the big one, so I will actually remember and write something here. I like it. I hope you will like it as well. And do I want to color them in a little bit? I want to, but all my markers are above, and once I start to take them, I know that, because what I wanted to do, look at this, I wanted to add in that corner a bit of the same color as the day of the week. So that's what I wanted to do. And maybe let's go for it. A little touch of color over here. So I actually stopped the video and I looked for my marker. So let me actually add those colors, and I think it will look really nice. And just a touch of color just to make it nice and colorful. Yeah, because I thought it will look really pretty. So let me know, what do you think about this project? And remember about our hashtag PS Advent Calendar 2023. And I'll look at those colors. They go really so nicely together. I'm really super excited about this one, and I think I will do the same for every single week, maybe. Or I'm going to show it to my daughters and they will do something like this. So yes, I'm really curious what other people will create with those stickers. And I think it's actually fun to have like a mini collection of stamps, stickers, and that stencil as well. As you can see, I didn't use any stencil, but you can. And especially that one, the one I used for my background, I think this one would look so cool as well. So yes, I really wasn't sure what I'm going to create, but I'm really happy with this one. Like, for every single day I create something, at the end I'm really happy with the end result, which I think it's such a fantastic idea about this advent calendar, that we wouldn't necessarily, I wouldn't buy a set like this, but it made me try different things, which is, I think, really nice. And for the black, I picked this this one is does say the color? No, but it's light gray, so I've got a darker gray, but I thought it's a bit too dark, so I'm going to use the lighter one. And I'm going to leave it as it is, because I might add something else and I write my notes. But for now, I think I'm happy. This week is prepared. So yes, so that's what I did with wallet number 15 with those stickers. Of course, I've got a few other ones which I could use on this page, but I think for now it's nice and colorful and very cheerful as well, especially because the weather is not that great. So I hope you like it. Let me know, what do you think about it, and go over to Katarina and Mel and remember about the hashtag PS Advent Calendar 2023. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with another video tutorial for you and box number 16. So bye for now.